Alright, young man, are you ready to get your engine today?
Yep, what's out there?
Alrighty. Alrighty. Alrighty guys, we're on our way to the field to get the engine out of the tractor. We decided just to get the tractor first because we had to roll the car over and everything anyway, so it's a lot easier this way. I'll come back when we're hacking on it. Hey guys, so we're going to drag this thing over. The engine's mostly disconnected from the bottom. If it's not disconnected, we'll just, when the tractor's picking up the motor, it'll just rip everything else out. So, it'll be alright. We're hacking around the B pillar since the back window broke out of it. On the seat belt. Ready to drag. It's been a lot easier from the other side. Alrighty, let's drag this thing over. Alrighty. We got everything pulled out. We got the radiator pulled off, the hood off, and the strap hooked up. So everything should be unhooked and ready to go. If it's not, keep it hooked out. The strap comes around to the shifter and the water pump. So hopefully the water pump will off. We're about to find out. It's the pre-Thunderbolt knob cover, so you can't open the back yet. Alrighty, well, something else for the possibility. Alrighty guys, well, we got the mint condition, low mileage 350 in the back of the truck. What do you think? Mint, he says. Probably gonna have a series of like a tear down and see if it's worth anything. And possible like freshen up. It doesn't really roll over, but I mean, I guess you've seen that in the other video of it like kind of rolling over, but yeah, we're probably gonna have a whole tear down and possible rebuild, or at least new seals and gaskets in it. So yeah. Alrighty, well, we just looked up the numbers right here. We found out it is a 2-bolt main 305. Not impressed now. Kind of blows. I don't know if it's 100% worth taking apart and trying to fix, but we're still gonna do it. At least see what's in it. It might have a cam in it, I'm not sure, because it does have a new timing cover. So the guy claimed it was a mild built engine, or built. There's no, can't tell if it's been apart before. It is blue. This would have been the factory color, but at least it's not painted, I don't think. Yeah, I don't know. Might be in future videos, might not be. But yeah, alrighty. Swap feet, delete, heading out. Alrighty, I figured I'd make a quick ending to this video. That 305 was really bad, worse than we thought it was. I figured it might be able to be cleaned up and fixed, but it was just too far gone. It would get too much money into it to make it worth anything, and it's just a little 305. I was hoping it'd be just a quick hone job and seals, but it was gonna need overboard and who knows what else done to it to be a good running engine. So we scrapped that idea. But I do have another 305, which we're going to rebuild, freshen up, which is gonna go in this truck right here, the 91 S10, because the 2.8 isn't really cutting it. It's pretty powerless. It's not the worst thing ever, but we are going to keep the 5-speed in it. Hopefully get an adapter or rebuild it so it'll hold the power of the 305. It'll be like roughly 100 horsepower gain from the 2.8. So yeah, some good videos coming up here soon.